going to, maybe a drum roll, Manchester, Ohio. People having all kinds of fun here at the Manchester Twin Islands on the Ohio River. Alright, well that does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dobes. I travel around the world, I make travel content, and I think 2020 is going to be all about the year of traveling within the United States. And this video of the Ohio River, so this is a place that I've spent many summers, or many, especially my childhood, many summer days and weekends at the Ohio River. So it's been a pleasure to be able to make videos of this place. This is my second video. I will link up my first one right here. In this video, I was just learning how to fly my drone, and in this video, I hopefully you noticed I took it to the next level. So continuing to get better with every video. Now, if you are from Manchester, or you go boating on the Ohio River, you ever go to the Twin Islands, I would love to hear your comments below. And of course, if you like today's video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications. That will ensure you don't miss out on the next video. I'm going to try to do at least one more Ohio River video this summer, whether that's from content that I've already collected, or maybe one more trip down there before the summer ends. So maybe I'll see you down there at the Twin Islands. If you see someone down there, you know, flying their drone, stop over and say hello. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.